In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to download Instagram Reels to your gallery without Watermark. Head to Instagram. Now in the Reels section, select any video you want to download, and tap right here to copy the video link. Now get back and head to any browser of your own choice. In the search bar, head to this website called savefrom.net. Don't worry, I'll leave its link in this video description. Now select on Instagram and then paste in your video link in this provided space. The video will start generating. Now tap on Download, simply confirm by clicking on Download. Now head to your downloads. The video will be available. Click on it and tap on the share icon to save video. Your video will successfully get saved to your phone photos. Well, that's how easy it is to download Instagram Reels without Watermark to your gallery. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.